That's the percentage of finance jobs, maybe yours. So the 2025 Citigroup report says have high potential for automation. Not someday, not in a CG5 movie. Now. And before you click away thinking, here we go, another AI done video, just stay with me for a minute. Because the punchline is not what you think. JP Morgan is telling managers stopping people. Goldman Sachs cut junior banker holes by 40% using AI, and then hired fewer people to replace them. And the CEO of Ford, yes, the car company, said AI will replace literally half of all white-collar workers. Half. But here's the part nobody's really talking about. While 47% of finance roles are getting skewed, the people on the other side of that number, they are making more money than ever, and this is a specific playbook to land on that side. I studied it. Let's break it down. It's 2025. You open LinkedIn. Between motivational quotes from people who have never had a real job, you see a headline: JP Morgan cuts 200 junior analysts, blames AI. You think, okay, that's states. That's not me. Next week, Goldman Sachs replace entry-level research teams with AI tools. So week after that, Bank of America freezes analyst hearing amid AI efficiency push. No, you are sweeting a little fair. But here's where the media drops the ball. They report the fear. They don't report the opportunity. According to a 2025 McKinsey analysis, AI will transform or eliminate roughly 47% of current finance roles by 2030. But that some report says AI is creating 97 million new roles globally by 2025. Not someday. Now, the problem isn't AI. The problem is most people are watching it happen to them instead of making it happen for them. Let's talk about what's actually getting automated. Data entry and transaction processing. Basic bookkeeping, invoice processing, bank reconciliations, accounts payable and receivable. If your entire job is moving numbers from one spreadsheet to another, AI has been doing that faster and more accurately for 2 years already. Oxford Economics says 50% of accounting clerk positions are already automated as of 2025. Junior financial analyst groundwork. The build the model, fix the deck at 2 in the morning pipeline. Goldman's AI builds 2 pitch decks in minutes. Junior banker horse dropped 40%, not because of better work-life balance, but because they need 40% fewer juniors. Basic compliance and regulatory reporting, scanning documents, checking KS forms, generating standard reports. AI is 90 times faster and makes fewer errors. Citigroup automated 70% of basic banking operations by 2025. Standard credit analysis and loan processing. What used to take half a day now takes seconds and looks at 200 data points instead of the few you had time to review. I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm saying it so you see the punch coming. Now, let's talk about what's actually growing. First, AI augmented financial advisory. AI is terrible at one thing: human trust. Human trust. Yes, human trust. When someone is investing their life savings or structuring their estate, they don't want a chatbot. They want a person, someone who understands their family, their fears, their goals. Advisors who use AI for analysis so they can spend more time building relationships are making more than ever. They can serve 3 times as many clients in the same horse. Second, AI risk management and oversight. If AI is making billion-dollar trading decisions, someone has to supervise it. Someone has to explain it to regulators. Someone has to catch it when it's wrong. These hybrid roles, finance plus AI, are rare, and salary surveys in 2025 shows a common 40 to 60% premiums over traditional finance roles. Third, complex deal structuring and me and A. AI can run models. It can prep data rooms, but it cannot read error. It cannot sense a goal. It cannot negotiate politics. That's human. Fourth, roles that barely existed 5 years ago. Fintech product manager, AI model validator, algorithmic trading strategy developer, blockchain and DeFi compliance specialist, financial data scientist. These jobs pay anywhere from $120,000 to $400,000 or more, and there aren't enough qualified people. So, what do you actually do? Move on. Use AI tools daily, 30 minutes a day for 60 days. Real use, not just asking it to write mails, Bloomberg GPT, ChatGPT, Copilot and Excel, fluency compounds. More to build the human layer. If your only value is technical execution, you are competing with AI. If you can interpret AI output, communicate it, adjust it to real human situations, you are leveraging AI. More three. Pick one hybrid direction and go deep for 6 months. Not a PhD, just credibility. Understand how models work, get certified in AI risk. Learn AI-driven portfolio construction. 6 focused months can permanently change your trajectory. Move 4. Network at the intersection of finance and tech. Fintech events, AI in finance, communities, engineers building the tools. These roles are often filled through conversations, not job boards. Move 5. Document your learning publicly. Write LinkedIn posts, start a newsletter, record videos. The people who explain this transition clearly become trusted voices, and trust is still very human. Let me zoom out. Every generation thinks their disruption is the end of the world. The printing press, industrial revolutions, internet, spreadsheets, every time, panic. Every time, new opportunity. I'm not saying AI is harmless. Real disruption is happening, real people are affected. But the ones who strive a new way are never the most fearful or the most resistant. They are the most adaptable. In 2030, finance professionals who win will look back at the 2025 and say, I'm glad I didn't wait. The question isn't whether change is coming, the question is which side of it you are going to stand on. And if you are still reading this, you're already ahead. Thank you very much.